Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Let us read something very interesting today. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. The name of today's wonderful story is The Kind Girl. Get ready and read aloud with me. Once there was a kind florist named Madhu. Every day she noticed a girl gazing at the vibrant flowers. One day, Madhu invited the girl inside and gifted her a small bouquet. Grateful, the girl asked, "Why are you so generous?" Madhu replied, "The joy of giving is the most beautiful bloom." The girl embraced this wisdom, spreading kindness wherever she went. Madhu's simple act had sown seeds of compassion, proving that a single act of kindness can create a garden of positivity in the world. Moral of the story is making kind choices and taking responsibility for what you do is the smart way to be wise. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.